Hello and welcome. Chef Pennington here, Le Cordon Bleu chef in Austin, Texas. I'm going to show you all how to make fine dining bacon wrapped scallops. I'm also going to show you 2 techniques to making the bacon way crispier than just roasting it in the oven. And at the end, I'm going to show you the master technique for the crispy, awesome bacon. It's incredible. I'll show you. So let's get started. Notice right there how I was using my hand on the base, rolling it around against the cutting board. So that's going to create a very good seal on the bottom, very important. Then secure with the toothpick. Here we go. We're going to use a cupcake tin. We're going to put it in the oven at 450 degrees for 10 minutes. So it's going to be hot before we put the scallops in. Now, the scallops should be cold. The bacon needs to be room temperature. So let the bacon hang out on the counter for about 10 minutes. And then pull the scallops out of the refrigerator so that they're cold. So what's going to happen is this tin is going to create radiant heat around the scallop. And the bacon is already room temperature. So it's going to start cooking, and the scallop is cold, so it's going to take a little while to catch up. That's a little bit of sea salt. This is a great technique. You're going to love it. So 12 minutes later, we're going to pull it out. But before that, we want to flip them at least one time while they're in there. So after about 6 minutes, go in there and give them a flip. So now it's been 12 minutes. We're going to put it on a roasting rack. This is where we're going to finish it up. This is where we get the bacon looking beautiful. Some people would think that's good enough, and it could be, but we're going to make it even better. Plus, the scallops aren't all the way cooked yet because we put them in when they're cold. So here's the value of using the tin. It's the fat that renders out of the bacon, and any additional moisture in there is going to stay inside that tin, and that protects the scallop while it cooks instead of that just steaming off into the oven. Very cool. So cook for another 5-10 minutes. That's a personal choice, how you like it done. And look, that is glorious. It's so beautiful. In my fine dining restaurant, this is the way I would serve it. So if you guys want a really good sauce, I've got a tangerine cilantro beurre blanc, which is a French butter sauce. That'll be in the link below. It's really good. So let's take a look. Let's see how great our bacon cooked up. And then I'm going to get on to showing you the master technique for bacon. Look, it cuts through. It's absolutely perfect. Unbelievable. And I hope you guys really give us a try. I'd love to hear what y'all think. So here we go. Let's take a look at the best crispy possible bacon. It is sous vide. Okay, to sous vide bacon, you got to put it in a bag. So if it's already in a sealed package, you can just put that inside another bag. In this case, we have the bacon that's been freshly prepared at Central Market going into a freezer bag. You got to use a freezer bag, very important. Lower it down into the water bath, and all the air is going to be pushed out. You can use a food saver machine, which works really, really, really well. It's just you got to pull it out and put it away. I love freezer bags because they work and it's easy. We want to push down the bacon so it doesn't flow at the top or anything like that. I like using a plate that's about the size of the water tub that you're going to use. Make sure the tub they use is heat safe so they can handle the temperature. We're going to go for 145, very specific. That is the FDA's temperature for pork to be cooked, 145. We're going to go for 8 hours, very important. You can pretty much go. Come join us on social media. We'd love to have you all over there. We'll have links below in the description. There's going to be a recipe card. It talks all about scallops, all these techniques. I go into more depth, and also you get the recipe for the sauce and the technique. Please subscribe. Here's some other interesting sous vide and other videos you might be interested in. And I hope you all take care and have the best.